This is a demo of our FPGA Zedboard-based multi-effect system for the electric guitar. It comprises both audio processing algorithms and a user interface for real-time control. We created 4 major effect groups, and each one also has several internal configurations to choose from. The buttons and LEDs form an intuitive user interface which enables to scroll and select effects, while the slide switches are used to activate the desired effect and to choose one of its internal configurations. Distortion describes any process which adds harmonics to the guitar signal by distorting the shape of the wave. In the octavolo, we add overlaying replications of the guitar signal, increased or decreased in pitch, combining IIR and FIR filters as well. Tremolo is basically amplitude modulation. The guitar signal is multiplied by a triangle wave to change the shape of its envelope. Delay is a time-varying effect which stores incoming samples and then adds them back to the guitar signal to create overlaying repetition.